Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to close background apps in Windows 10. By doing so, you can optimize your system's performance, save power, and reduce data consumption. So let's get started. Step 1. Press Start. Step 2. Click on Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Privacy tab, which is represented by a padlock icon. Great. Now that you're in the privacy settings, let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Scroll down to the Background Apps menu within the Privacy tab and click on it to reveal the settings. Excellent, you're almost there. Now, on to the final step. Step 5. In the background app settings, you have two options. You can either toggle off all the background apps at once using the main switch at the top, or you can individually disable specific apps that consume more power and data. Fantastic! You've successfully closed background apps in Windows 10. By doing so, you'll experience improved performance, extended battery life, and reduced data usage. That concludes today's tutorial on how to close background apps in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.